it's time to check out our room. We're mid-level, floor 10. So there's our fish hook. Meredith will be decorating the door later with magnets. So we're gonna take a look at our room. Go in here. We'll check out the closet and the bathrooms in a bit. So Meredith's here. So this is queen size bed.
Queen size bed. 2 nightstands with 2 lamps.
And I like the design on the shades. It's like the world map, right?
Yeah,
like a compass.
Yeah, it's cool.
So that's nice.
Yeah.
What else do we have here?
And over here we have, I don't think this pulls out. I think you just lay on it and
Cushions may come off.
Yeah, maybe. And then they have a bed up here that pulls down. They'll do that for you. And then they got a coffee table, which is heavy so it doesn't move. And we also got our gifts, which is some lanyards and our
sling bag, right?
Sling bag, Disney Cruise Cup.
And we got that because this is our second trip, right?
Right. Yep. And then over here looks like a place you can sit down, do makeup, and do whatever you need to do at a desk. I think this is a little fridge in here, mini fridge. Oh, this is different than the Wish. It's a regular little fridge. The other one was like a drawer. And all different places to
little TV,
store.
Some USB ports,
Yep.
all kinds of light switches.
Yep.
Right. So that's a nice little picture. It's a picture of all the different ships.
Then it's like another place to put some drinks or, you know, more drawers, more shelving. And over here is more shelving and storage and the ladder to get up to the bed that's up above. Yeah, and then that's our life jackets. And then here is the safe, more closet space, more life jackets, laundry bag hangers and stuff like that.
Okay. And then the bathroom.
Yep, this bathroom here, this is sink shower combo.
I do like these towels.
Mm-hmm. They're very cute.
With the Disney cruise line on it. The tile. So what's nice is this seems bigger than the Wish. I like it. The Wish seemed smaller, so that's nice. And then
this
the commode.
Water closet, whatever, is.
Put the light on, please.
Oh, there we go.
And that's what that looks like.
Sink and toilet combo, which is good because someone can be going to the bathroom, someone can be taking a shower, so it's like brush your teeth over here. So get ready together.
Now this is why we like these rooms, and granted we've only been twice, but having the veranda gives you your own little balcony.
Yep. This is our own little balcony. I think we could, I don't know if this, I don't think they.
So right now we have the view of the Carnival Freedom. Just trying to look all around. I know you can see the Kennedy Space Center somewhere.
I think is that it over there, or is it on the other side of the carnival? It could be on the other side.
And nothing too much behind us. And if, I don't know who's on the other side of us.
This side is
if it's people we know,
yes,
which we do, we can ask them to open these up so then we'd share a balcony.
Yeah.
And it just makes it bigger, which is nice. We may do that later. But yeah, that's our room on the Fantasy.